Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are Softtrix, a digital marketing agency serving clients worldwide for the past 15 years. Today we are diving into an exciting case study on how we have transformed an e-commerce business specializing in sportswear and the sporting equipment. The client initially worked with another agency but was not satisfied with the results. Despite running the Google AdWords campaign, they were struggling with the low visibility, high cost per click, and the minimal return on the ad spend. Their existing strategy lacked proper segmentation, product testing, and a strong marketing plan. That's why they have approached us for a complete campaign overhaul to drive more sales and increase profitability. When we audited their account, we have identified several major issues holding back performance. Their shopping campaigns were not structured efficiently. High performing products were actually mixed with the underperforming one, leading to budget misallocation. Additionally, the product titles and the description in their feed were not optimized for search intent, limiting their reach. Another major gap was the absence of Performance Max campaign, which meant that they were not leveraging the Google's AI-driven automation to expand their audience. Finally, their remarketing efforts were weak. Potential customers who had engaged with their products were not being effectively retargeted, leading to the lost sales. Clearly, the account needed a comprehensive revamp, or just a small adjustment. We have devised a multi-layered strategy to optimize their campaigns and scale their business efficiently. Our first step was restructuring their Google Shopping campaigns. Instead of treating all the products equally, we have segmented them based on the price, demand, and the past performance. High performing products were given higher bids to maximize the conversions, while the underperforming ones were tested with different pricing and placement strategies. We have also optimized their product feed by refining the title, description, and the images to improve the visibility and the CTR. Next, we have introduced the PMax campaign to expand their audience reach. Rather than relying solely on the automation, we have actively tested different asset groups, combining various product images, videos, and the ad copy to determine the most effective creatives. We have also provided Google with detailed audience signals, ensuring we have targeted high intent shoppers, repeating the customers, and the lookalike audiences. Unlike their previous agency, we have monitored the campaign data in the real time, continuously tweaking the settings to improve the efficiency and maximize the ROAS. While the shopping campaigns were formed the core of our strategy, we have complemented them with highly targeted search ads. We have carefully selected high intent keyword, structured precise ad groups, and the crafted compelling ad copy to increase the engagement and drive more sales. To ensure broader reach, we have launched the DSA campaign that dynamically matched the user search queries with the relevant product pages, capturing the demand while might have otherwise been missed. A critical missing element in their previous strategy was the remarketing. Many visitors browsed their website but left without making a purchase. To fix this, we have launched the engaging video campaign highlighting the top-selling sportswear and the equipment, running them on YouTube and the Google Display Network. Additionally, we have introduced the dynamic remarketing ads that showcase the product user had previously viewed, effectively bringing them back to complete their purchase. To create the urgency, we ran the limited time discount ads and financing options to drive faster conversions. Our strategic restructuring and the continuous optimization led to the outstanding results. The monthly revenue soared to around 48,000 euros in terms of revenue, while the ROAS significantly improved to around 13.21. We have successfully increased the conversion while maintaining a profitable CPA, ensuring sustainable growth for businesses. Additionally, we have our optimized shopping and the PMax campaign enhanced visibility and the engagement, allowing the brand to reach a wider audience and drive more sales. If you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for a free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us through WhatsApp. You can just share with us the PPC account access, then we will be able to look at it, and then we will be able to let you know what you are doing and what you need to to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any campaign running, then you can still share with us some basic information like the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. We will be able to do the research and then we can share with you the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.